Hey folks, Sarah here from Manager Tools, talking to you today about the value of training for your team or organization. Now, over here at Manager Tools, we travel the globe, teaching individuals as well as groups how to be more effective managers, effective communicators, and effective hiring managers. We can even come on site and do custom work for your organization. But one of the biggest values we find of sharing these concepts or tools amongst a group of individuals, all who work together, is that when we leave at the end of the day, they have a built-in support system. I say it every time we train people. Listen, look around this room. Look at all of the other faces in this room. Going forward, you always have my email address because they always have my email address. And you have the other 29 faces in this room to help support you. And as managers, we should be there for each other. We should show up for each other. And that is so much easier if we all learn the concepts together. If you're interested in how Manager Tools can come on site to work with your team or organization, send us an email to customerservice@manager-tools.com.